Let me show you this 4-tier bookshelf that was sent to me by the brand so I could share my honest feedback. It stands 70 inches tall and has a mix of open shelves and sliding door compartments. It took me a couple of hours to put together, but it does come with all the hardware and the instructions, so assembly was straightforward. It's made from durable engineered wood with strong legs and foot pads to protect your floor. And like I said, setup is straightforward. Everything you need is included with pre-drilled holes and clear instructions. I love the open shelves. They're great for displaying your favorite books, plants, photo frames, decorative items, and each shelf is sturdy so your items stay secure, and the open design keeps the space feeling airy and light. Below, you've got hidden storage with sliding doors. It's perfect for things you want out of sight, any electronics, or anything you want tucked away. And the fluted panel doors just add a modern touch. It looks good in any room. The bookshelf is really versatile. I love that. You could use it in any room of the house, living room, home office, bedroom, or even in a kitchen. It's roomy enough for books, but also for any other needs. Definitely check it out.